Okay, hello. Today I will show you how to set up the master puzzle for the temple room with a final puzzle, which is the holding hands prop. Okay, so we have the power supplies. Let's connect the power supplies. Okay. Then we have the electromagnet. Electromagnet comes with a green screw terminal. Let's connect it to the output here. Okay, so we have connected the electromagnet. So now we need to connect the plates to the human chain. So I'm connecting one plate, and now the second plate. Okay, and what we are missing is activation of the human chain. So now we'll prepare the make your own sensor to activate the human chain. So in order to do this, we need to give the ground and signal to this little guy. So we will take the ground and the signal from this green screw terminal from the pattern board. Okay, let's connect the power. Okay, power will go here. Power will go there. Okay. So we will need to unscrew these two screws, or three, actually three. So we have three wires. Each of the wire has the number on it. We'll use the common, which is the wire with two, and we'll use normally open. So this is the 3, and we'll not use the 1. So we'll just use 2 and 3. We'll connect the 2 to the ground. Okay, let's connect it. And we'll connect the normally open, so it's 3, to the signal. Okay, we'll not use this wire. So okay, so the pattern board will give the signal to the make your own sensor, and make your own sensor will give the signal to the human chain. So let's check how it looks. I will just change the camera to be bigger. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, the pattern board is loading. After that, we can put the correct sequence we would like. Okay, so let's say it will be this 4. Now I'm pressing the red button here and release it after 1 blink. So now this is the win. Okay, so now when I put the correct pattern, it will start blinking. So now I'm ready to connect the make your own sensor, which we have made here with a human chain. So I'm connecting it right here. Okay, you can see it's working. So now okay, so now let's untrigger this. We have the electromagnet here. Electromagnet holds. Okay, good. Oh yeah, something like this. And then after we will solve the pattern board, this part will became activated, and after we touch the metal plates, it will open. Let's do this. So first the pattern board, and now we are ready for the plates. And the puzzle is solved. If you want to reboot it, you need to deactivate the pattern board for 30 seconds.